goes a sight for my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do a little front rotor change with some new brake pads. My old ones are worn. I bought the set last year from a Del Sol. But yeah, the rotors are gone now and so are the pads, so I have to replace that. I chose for the new rotors, I chose for the Stoptech Sport rotor with some Stoptech Street brake pads. Yeah, I hope this gives a little more bite and a little better braking than the original rotors and brake pads. But yeah, we will see about that. First we're gonna have to take the old ones off by removing those two screws here. Remove the caliper. I think I'm also going to remove the bracket. Yeah, that's needed to get the rotor off, so that's also coming off. I got some new grease for the slider pins, so I'm gonna grease those up, put back the cylinder, install everything, and then should be easy enough. So everything is off, rotors, bracket, including the brake pads. As you can see, there's not much left meat on them, and they're also a little bit glared, so yeah, they definitely need to be replaced. Also, these retainers have to go. I got new ones for those, so I'm gonna clean the inside of that up, lubricate it a little bit, also lubricate the slider pins. They do work, but I think there's copper grease in them, and I don't like copper grease, so yeah. I'm gonna spray this with a little bit of brake cleaner to get most of the dirt and dust off before I install the new rotor. Okay, I took the bracket inside the garage and I'm going to clean it with a wire brush. Much better. Gonna grease that up a little bit. I don't know if it's necessary, but yeah, I hope it prevents the rust getting in between there. Don't think it is necessary, but yeah, I always do that. So, and then we can install the rotors, put the brackets back, install new brake pads, and then put the brake caliper back, put the wheel on, and then onto the other side. So first I'm gonna put some ceramic grease on the slider pins and then put those back into the brake caliper bracket. I use a brush for that. So you can spread it nice and even. Like so. And then we're gonna pop this back in here. Don't worry about the excessive grease, you can wipe that off. That's one. Now the other one. And that's it. I'm gonna put a little bit of grease on the caliper bracket. Just for my peace of mind. Don't know if it's necessary, like I mentioned, but okay, now we're going back to the car and reinstall everything. First we're gonna clean the new rotor because there's always some sort of oil on the rotors so they don't rust when they're on the shelves. So just spray them with some brake cleaner. And then wipe them off. Don't forget the other side. Hit it with some brake cleaner. And then wipe it off. Yeah, look at what's coming from the new rotors. Okay, now we're gonna put it back on the car. check on the car, rotors, brake pads, cleaned everything up. Yeah, now it's time for the bed-in procedure. You can find that on the Stoptech website. So I'm gonna do that, so I know for sure the brakes are working as intended. Yeah, that was another small video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I also want to thank all the subscribers so far who subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from